Welcome to CS Tech Solutions, and today is Learn in Python. Today is a topic of use for the IDLE as typing the programs as directly into a cells is highly in conversation, and most programmers is prefer to the use some the sort of the text editors, and that it the parts of the integrated development environment is IDE, and IDLE is comes as a part of the standard Python installation package, and the IDLE is a application, and just like any others applications on your the computers, and start it the same way you would start any others applications as by the double clickings on an icon. Then the IDLE is a start. It will open the shell windows into the which you can type the Python command, and it will also provide you with the files menus, and edit the menus as well as some others menus, comments, single line comment and multi line comment. Single line comment is beginning with hash symbols, and is useful to maintaining uh, that wall lines should be considered as a comment until the end of the line, and multi-line comment is useful then we need to add to the comment on the many lines, and the python as a triple double quotes and single quotes is used for the multi-lines comments, as a single lines as comment is hash sign, and multi-line comment is a triple double quotes, and triple single quotes is used to assign the comment. And taking the user input with the input function, and we use the input function to take the input from the users, and most programmers today is use the dialog box as way to asking the users to provide some types of the inputs, and while the python is provided as with the two inbuilt functions to ready the input from a keyboard, and first is input and counts and prompt, and row underscore input counts and prompt in the python 2.x only. Example has taking the input from the users as a strings equal input and counts, and names is write the culpes, and print counts and strings is variables, and print the culpes. So more example as a taking the input from the users with a message as a strings equal input and counts double quotes, enter the name and colon, and run as a enter the names colon, and write the culpes, and print the string is a variables, and is print the culpes, and print double quotes hello plus string is print the hello culpes. And by default the input functions take the user's input in the strings, and so to take the input in the forms of the integers you need to use the int along with the input functions, and so we need to use the types conversation at the typecast to the take the disk derives the types of the data. Check the example as a taking the int from the users and num equal the int counts input counts double quotes and enter numbers and add equal num plus 1 and print the add as the output is enter the numbers colon 15 and print is 16. Check the another example as taking the float from the users as a num equal float counts and input and counts double quotes and enter the numbers and add equal the num plus 1 and print the add and the output is enter a numbers colon 15 plus 5 15.5 and print is 16.5. Check the one another example is using the input from the user as a list L equal list counts and input counts and enter the numbers and print the L. Output is enter the numbers 1 2 3 and square brackets and print the single quotes A, single quotes 2, single quote 3. Thank you to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel on the notification and bell icon. Thank you.